Yes, it's autumn and I've had a roller coaster couple of weeks. 100% am I comfort eating. I've been staring at these apples for weeks thinking I must do something with them, and they've been getting more and more rotten, but there's still a handful that are good to go, so I thought I'd make an apple tart tatin, one of my favourite things. Ready rolled pastry because I can't be arsed. Lovely little skillet there, just quarter my pastry, and then half and half on the fire. Peel the apples, chop the apples, easy peasy. Butter, a lot of butter, sugar, brown sugar, apples in, over the direct heat, lid down, and then a really good glug of whisky because I like it. You could leave it out. Split the fire in two then, because then you're making an oven. Get that pastry over the top, just tuck the seams down, back in between the two fires, twist it halfway because obviously one side's hot than the other, run a knife round, turn it out with confidence, and then put the bits on that fell back off. Clotted cream, done. Apple and whisky tart tatin, cooked on my Weber, in the rain under a brolly.